N queens, you're gonna have N by N board first. Then you're gonna place N queens. Then each queen should not attack each other. Queens can attack vertical, horizontal, diagonal. That means none of the queens should be on the same horizontal, same vertical, or same diagonals. Our GUI app is having blue background. I'm gonna use blue. I'm going to do the 4x4 because 4x4 is a small list size. We can do N queens problems. If I put a queen at 0, 1, so row number 0, 1, 2, 3, column number 0, 1, 2, 3. That means I cannot put any queen at the same row. Any other queen cannot be on the row 0. Any other queen cannot be column 1. Any other queen cannot be diagonals of this red. So in the second row, I can have only one candidate to put a queen. So if I put a queen, then some other position is unavailable, like vertical, horizontal is already unavailable, and diagonal. Now I'm going to put another queen at the row number 2. There's only one candidate. Then because of this queen, now row number 3, column number 0 is not good place for queen because it's vertical to one of the queen. Then row number 4, I have only one place to put a queen. So if you solve N queen, you're going to see each row you're gonna see only one queen. Each column also you're gonna see only one queen. And they're not attacking each other. How can a computer solve this one? Oof. I should make it smaller. I will draw again. Then I'm going to put the row number, column number again. Now, let me use a different pen. Pyramid starts at 0, 0. Put a queen. Then, because row 0 is done, go to the row 1. Then check it, which place I can check. Column 0, not possible. Column 1, not possible because it's diagonal. So in column 2, it placed a queen. So row 2 is done. So it check row 3. Column 0, not possible. Column 1, not possible. Column 2, not possible. Column 3, not possible. That means this position 1, 2 is not a good position, so remove the queen. Then, by removing, it's going to say it's not a good position. That means the first queen is also not a good position. I didn't check one more position. So, when I go back to the row 1, 0, 1 was not working. 2 just proved it's not working. Because they cannot attack each other. They cannot be on the same row, same column, or same diagonal. So because comma 2 turned out it's not good position because you cannot move, you cannot put more queens. So you're gonna put queen at 1, 3 and check. Because I put a queen, I'm gonna move on to the next row. Let's see. Column 0 is not working. Column 1 is working because nothing is on the diagonal or horizontal or vertical. So place the queen at 2, 1. That means row 2 is done. So move to row 3. Column 0 not working, column 1 not working, column 2 is a diagonal, so it's not working, column 3 is a vertical, it's not working. That means previously I put is not a good position because I cannot put more queen. So remove. So move to the next column. 2, 2 is not good position. So move to the next column. 2, 3 is not a good position. I checked all the column number of row 2. It does not work. So move back to the one just row. This position is not good. So remove the queen. Oh, this row 1, all the columns checked. Then it proved it's not working. That means row 0, column 0 is not working. So remove the queen. Now column 0 did not work at the row 0, so move to the next column and place the queen. Restart. Because row 0 has the queen, move to the row 1. And column 0 at row 1 does not work. I don't know. And 1, 1 does not work. 1, 2 does not work, but 1, 3 works. Now move to the row 0. Column 0 is working because nothing is on the diagonal, horizontal. So row 2 is done. Then move to the row 3. Column 0 is not working. Column 1 is not working, but column 2 is working. Nothing is on the diagonal. Then I placed the 4 queens for 4 by 4, so done. Solved. This is what computer is doing. So we can check our shellcode. If you open the NQueens driver and nqueens.java, nqueens.java has a little code in there. If you download it from the Google Classroom, add queen and remove queen. Let's see this shellcode. This one has a graphic, so actually it has buttons. Board. The button's name is board. To the array of buttons, then number of num queens, we don't use it. Then solve method will be called, it's only one public method. This solve method will call is placed starting from 0, 0. Then is placed, we can test it if add queen and remove queen works or not. I'm going to show add queen first. Then location is okay, so what you are supposed to do, then add queen is changing the background color as red. Then pause. A pause means it's gonna do just a for loop for a long time. Then remove queen is changing the color back to the blue. So after I just compile with this code, only add queen. Then if I run the driver, you're going to see 0, 0 is red color. If I have remove queen 2, then what will happen is, so after you see the red, then it's gonna change it to blue. And if I show you the working version, it is placing the 1 by 1. Then if it does not work, it remove. And check in here that it does not work, remove. Then if you check this one is actually the column by column checking. Then it is checking if it does not work, remove. Then check next column. If it does not work, remove, then check next column. And if this one does not work, go back to the row number 1, remove, and check next column. You can solve column by column or row by row. It's up to you. And what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to finish 2 methods. If I make it faster, it is finally solved. There's another version that is a text version. Oopsie, it was showing the answer. In the text version, we're going to print. So 10, if you see this output, first one is empty board. So 0 represents empty board. And the second one is now placing the queens. 1 means queens. If you see, each queen is not attacking each other. And there are 10 queens are placed in the matrix of integers. The code is almost the same. Only one difference is here. Only one difference is you check the get background color is red or not. Get background color is red or not. If it's red, it's queen. If it's blue, it's not queen. In the text file, text version, QUI version, instead of get background, you're going to just check if board RC equals 1. That means it's queen. In the text version, board RC equals 1. Except this line, only this part, and everything else is the same.